One love, hey, one heart. Come on, let's get together and feel alright. Rasta fried rice, I need it 10 naira. Hey, my people, no be small matter. No look me like that. Oh, hey, as I dey hear like this, hey, my people, all Nigeria today we turn Jamaican, whether you like them or not. As long as you dey watch this video, my people, Regina Daniels. Oh, this girl, she sabi dey sparkle my blood. Now she don't come outside, she dey blaze shisha. Even Bob Marley sef, shame go catch am if he see Regina the way she. Una never for now wey no know wetin I dey talk about. Abeg, watch the video. Ned Woko, where you dey? Come out here, oh. Come see your number 6 Jamaican Rasta fried. My people, this Regina then they don't turn Rastafarian. Una see how she dey wobe in and out or more. This girl she don't no. Una suppose not say nah. The video we una see nah, that one nah the original Regina Daniels. All those other things na Photoshop she dey. You know when you dey man house, you need humble yourself. You need na lie. Na she be that. Now she dey smoke her depression away. Una think say e dey easy to dey married with one old cargo like that? E no dey easy o. Forget all the flashy things. Inside this girl dey suffer. I dey imagine how many times she fit dey there. They wish say how she wish say she fit get her life back. Because now like this, her life don't finish. Your mama don't say in destiny. You don't turn our superstar now to smoking ninja. You don't turn her. In fact, we don't even know where the real Regina even come dey. Only you, Oga Pata, 6 wives. You only. I dey imagine. I mean, which kind of strength this man even get for this age? Which kind of strength? How even they manage to satisfy all of them? Now wow, my people. Now be say, hey, I dey imagine how they go to do the go night by night. Now be say they go to get timetable. This week now your week. This week now this 1 week. And Regina, you don't say as the youngest, she go need better servicing. And this man, as I dey see him, now be saying now maybe once in 2 weeks. If you give her once a week, that once a week sef now when you understand, maybe the energy dey don't chop better food or something. This girl dey starve. And as she dey, she need vibrant, you understand? Vibrant gundus. We go serve it at least 3 times, 4 times a week. Now wetin this girl, she no go talk am, but she dey miss am. And now the thing wey even make the case worse, they even give her, they do rituals where she no even fit go meet any other man. She no fit cheat. Now wow, Ned. Hey, Baba. See, my people, I no go blame Regina. Don't be say I no dey blame her, but the higher part of this blame na for her mother. When mama no fit get sense, I dey wonder how pikin won't get sense. You sell your pikin because of money. Now she don't dey there. See, for now she no dey complain. Oh, you dey feel say she dey enjoy. Tomorrow e go do you like African magic. I be you yourself, you be actress. You know how the script una dey play dey be. No worry. Now she go still dey insult you, and na for internet this thing go happen. Now for here I go still bring your matter. See your pikin. No, see am. I dey sure say you even watch the video sef. You don't watch am. You see pikin wey you raise. This girl now for this her age, she suppose they travel, they sign contracts, they do things. Don't born, you don't sit down pelembe for man house. Not be even man house, old man house. At least even if you dey marry for one younger age, at least marry to person wey you go dey okay with. And I dey say, I dey sure say Regina Daniel room she get one drawer wey full with toys. Yes, anywhere where the man stop, she could go continue by herself. My people, now the matter be this and this one now me and you na get am. So make we discuss for the comment section. Wetin you think? or wetin be your advice, wetin be your suggestion, make we talk down there, you understand? Drop your comments and I go reply una. No forget, subscribe, share this video, click the like button because I know you enjoyed it. Another matter don come from Commissioner of Women Affairs. This woman she no go kill me. Her name na Lami Ahmed. Yo, even when they connected to Lai Mohammed, now all of una just dey lie. She don't come outside now. And they should say many of una don't dey hear about different rape cases where they happen now. And no be easy to know. Hey, every day one person rape one person every day. You know they pass. So now the woman don't come outside. She did one interview with Punch where she gonna discuss matter about divorce families, and so her mouth shift. And she talk say the reason why rape cases they increase every time. Yeah, open on her ear. She say now because oh, now the devil handwork. No, I no get hot here for my mouth. Now hear am. She say now the devil handwork. Now why people they rape people every day for Nigeria? Commissioner of Women Affairs. Una should say this person na woman. We open him mouth, bring this kind thing. Devil don't suffer. Now any small thing, devil. And they should say even devil himself go dey surprise. He go dey ask him boys say now we do this thing. Even devil no know when he commit sin. Or now go just dey blame devil, blame. Hey, wahala. I beg me put this woman picture. Make these people see who are they talk about. Madam, your name alone, from the moment where I read this woman name, I just know say she no get sense. No, serious. Because she say na the devil. Now, the devil get gundus. No, devil get gundus now. Where devil? Any small thing na devil. The devil don't turn rapist now. Devil, they rape people. Now, wait till she talk. Woman, we supposed to understand the pain where some people they go through. Now, I come outside, I can't talk this thing. Now what? See, why don't you people arrest the devil? Since una to say na the devil they rape, they cause the rape. Why una they arrest rapists? Una for leave the rapists now go they arrest devil. This statement what una go they do sometimes, No be so that one even go they support people where they beat wife. This one too don't come outside. This statement where this woman make now. I know they wish you bad, but you see rape go locate you. And by that time, come outside, come say it's the devil. It is easy make we dey talk some kind things when we never go through those things. Yes, now one-on-one TV we dey. And no forget, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for Aproko Show. Not just Aproko Show, for Ghana. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Drop your comment there if you have anything against what I said or you have something to add. Yes, we dey for one-on-one TV. I go see you later.